Some toast and jelly sounds really good right now.
Bro. Yeah, let me get some toasted jelly with some milk, some peanut butter on the side.
No.
No.
Just put the toast. Just make some toast and then spread a layer of fucking jelly on top of it. Oh my god.
No peanut butter? No milk?
Not on toast, no.
Toasty peanut butter jelly's pretty good, though.
We only get 4 items this time.
1 and 3.
3 and 1. No, 3 and 1.
1 and 3.
3 and 1.
1 and,
Oh, did
1
you
and
change?
3.
Did you change the rules? So wait, are the rules random? Because we have 5 health. So,
I never changed. I never
okay, I
changed.
think it's
Liar.
Let me see here. Don't mind if I do.
Don't
Brady?
steal my shit. No. No.
You know, I
Why?
was so nice to you, but like,
Why?
you're being a bit of a dick, Brady.
What
You
did
know,
I do?
I don't know. You're just like, you just keep killing
What
me.
did I do?
You just keep killing me. And
What did I do?
I don't appreciate you killing me, right?
Christian, do you want to like gang up on her? No ganging up. No ganging up. No.
You pinky
Nah.
promise?
No ganging up. I will
You
play
pinky
strategically. I will
Pinky
play
promise.
strategically.
Pinky
Yes, pinky
promise.
promise.
Okay.
Pinky promise. I will play strategically. No,
Okay.
no vendetta.
What's this not all on him? I literally said I'm not ganging up.
Well, you make a very convincing argument. How can I?
Well, I said I was as blunt as possible. I said I was not ganging up.
It's a 50-50 shot, I'm pretty sure. It's 1 and 1.
So shoot yourself.
I don't know if I want to take that chance.
Drink the beer then, and then take the knife.
I don't have beer.
It's your beer.
Oh.
It's your beer.
Oh.
I have nothing. I have shit items.
Switch the Polaroid, whatever it's called.
That's not gonna
It
do
won't
anything.
matter because it's 50-50.
Just shoot yourself.
It doesn't matter what I do.
Shoot yourself.
Yeah, fuck it.
There you go.
You're welcome.
There you go. There you go.
You're welcome.
You're good.
Alright, you both have 4 health, so it doesn't really
So
matter.
yeah, in order to even it out, shoot
Better
yourself.
items, so.
Oh come on!
Christian, you have the better items, so it's going to you. I'm sorry, I'm thinking strategically here.
You know what, buddy? Here's my strategy.
I shot the guy with the
Oh
better
well,
items.
I didn't even realize I got skipped. Who skipped me?
That would be
I don't
Bones.
know. It's a miracle, really. You know, who has
Shit.
Kristen?
What?
Well, you also have good.
Think about it. He has the better items, but I have more health. So
You
think
can.
about
You are
this.
free to grab
Think
the items
about
if you
it.
have the thing to grab the items.
I don't have the stim thing though.
It's like a 50-50 here, so I'm gonna go.
Come, bro. He has more lives.
Oh lord.
I did not know you can move your head around if you have
Ooh.
right click.
Oh, you
Oh.
can. That's cool.
Oh, that's cool. What's behind me then?
Then shoot me next, because you already shot Christian.
Well, it's a 50-50 shot, kind of. So. Fuck.
You're gonna shoot me now and then get me out of the way so that you can be both 1 and 1.
Hex Benedict.
Damn. That's crazy. He hit me with the eggs Benedict. I think it's 1 live and 2 blank. Pretty sure. So
You can switch the Polaroid if there's a blank one in there.
Oh yeah.
And then you can shoot.
We're thinking. Fucking shit. Fuck me in the ass.
Are you gonna shoot me now?
Let me ask you both a question, okay? And this will determine on whether or not who gets killed.
Okay.
Crap, I can't think.
Okay.
Where did Santa Claus come from?
How about you just shoot yourself?
Where did
How
Santa
about-
North Pole.
Where did Santa Claus come from?
The Bible.
No. No!
He's based off of Saint Nick. You stupid bitch.
He's not in the Bible. He's just a man who worshipped God.
Saint Nick?
Yes. He's a
It's in the
saint.
Bible. He's a saint. Yeah.
Yes,
he's a
he's
saint. He's in
okay,
the
but not
Bible.
all saints are in the Bible.
Yeah, but he was in the Bible.
No, he was not.
Oh, wait, no, he.
I
Oh,
promise
shit.
you.
Yeah,
There
no,
are
you're
a
right.
multitude of saints that are in the Bible, but Saint Nicholas is not one of them.
He was a bishop.
He was a bishop, yes.
Anyways, enough Bible study. Who wants to get shot?
Me! It'll be even, right?
Yeah, but also if I shoot Christian, then he's closer to being eliminated. Then it's a one-on-one, which
think
makes it
about
easier
this
to
way.
manage.
Think about who has the better things on their inventory? Who has the better inventory? Think about it that way.
You?
Yeah!
Okay, that whole conversation made me forget how many shells. There are. Yeah. One line.
One.
Yeah,
One.
one.
Okay, I'm taking a huge risk.
Oh.
Aw.
Ooh, that's unlucky.
And shoot yourself.
That's unlucky.
4 and 30.
Okay, smoke this real quick. Do I want to switch the orders? Yes. Yes, I do.
I drink a beer. I drink another beer. 3 beers. 4
Yeah.
beers.
Why
yeah,
are you
I think we're just
doing
gonna
that?
have a...
You're gonna
Check
waste
match.
all the live rounds. Because
Shut
you're
up,
missing-
shut up. No. I had a thought.
Don't have the thought.
Okay, cool. Then this next one. Okay, cool. Then that. And then
Oh man!
damn it.
What killed the dinosaurs? I say.
I know it's alive. I knew it was alive. I knew exactly what it was. I'm pretty sure there's one shell left. I think.
Oh well.
Okay. 2 and 2. 2 and 2.
2 adults?
Oh, fuck you. You're going away. Oh, wait, you still have health.
Bro, who bones?
I forgot. I skipped both of you guys.
How did you skip
wait.
both of us? O'Reilly's other parts.
That's a bold statement. Okay. So you're gonna shoot me then, and you're not gonna get bones out. Ah. Damn it. Now we got a bone-sized problem. Oh dear lord. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh man.
What was the count?
Christian, you fucked up.
How did I screw up?
You could have gotten her out of here.
And now you have the chance, Brother Osus.
Do I want to steal something from someone real quick?
Brother,
idea.
oh my goodness.
I have an idea.
And kill me
Bruddy.
so you can get Christian one-on-one.
Jeez.
I have an idea.
The 6th cell is blank. You're on the 6th.
I had to make a phone call real quick.
You're on the 6th shell. It's blank.
Ordering Uber Eats. Let me order Uber Eats real quick. Christian, I know that this one's live. Okay. Good choice. Good choice, man. Good choice.
You know, I should. Crap. No, that was a terrible choice. No!
Blank.
Yeah, it was a pretty bad choice. Yes, I just won.
No, that was a terrible choice.
I love this game.
You know, I find it funny that, like, we talk about Josh so much, but, like, out of all the recordings I made, I don't think he's popped up in any videos.
You sure? I thought he was in at least one.
No, I checked. He's not in any of the videos.
Bones, pick your items.
Bones?
Are you protesting?
It's like you pinky promised something.
What?
No.
What? I won the game. I was trying to win the game.
You broke the pinky promise.
To be fair, I had every intention of killing you regardless of Birdie's decision.
Bones, pick your items, please.
Please, Bones.
Please.
No, not until you apologize.
I'm sorry
For
getting you killed
and
me winning the game. And Christian being a big old doo-doo head.
Okay.
Wow, okay.
Damn.
Pretty sure it's... Yeah, I knew it was gonna be.
Shoot yourself.
Shoot yourself.
You know, I think I will, actually. I really think I will, you know? Thank you for this suggestion. Who has the better items?
Come.
3 and 2.
Okay.
Why is Bones playing with her phone on my screen?
Yeah, she's still... Bones, on my screen, you're still playing with that one thing that skips people's turns.
I promise I'm not on my...
It's bugged.
We're literally watching you.
That's great.
Bro, on my screen,
pretty
it's
good.
normal. Ooh.
Do this.
Oh. Oh, okay. That works. Never
I'm
mind, it
gonna
doesn't
do
work.
this. And then I'm gonna do this.
Brody, you screaming weenus! Oh my!
That was quick.
Well, he only had 1 life left.
Kill the brown man. I see how it is. I would have healed myself.
Uh-oh. I fucked up.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Christian, what did you call me? Call me screening weenus?
Yeah.
What? 50-50. What are we thinking? What are we thinking? What are we thinking?
Just shoot me.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah. And then you still get a turn.
No, I don't.
You're right. It's almost like...
It's almost like I'm screwed.
It's almost like... I do get a turn. But I could just screw myself and just, you know, do that. Which I will.
So it's 1 and 1. 50-50. Damn. I swear the universe just like goes your way. I'm telling you.
No, I wish it did.
It favors you.
I wish it did, but it doesn't.
I need to smoke that cigarette, but I can't yet. Oh. Oh. You don't like to see that.
You
You
know
can make
that
a choice.
You know that SpongeBob episode where SpongeBob needs the water from Sandy's pitcher?
I need it. Alright, well. So
Get the
it's
shark
3
to
and
steal the
2.
magnifying glass.
No, I'm gonna steal that actually. So, in theory, fuck
Just
this
shoot.
game.
There you go, so 1 and 2. Right?
Yeah.
Then you shoot me. Then I'm dead, right?
Oh shit! No! I should have used the polarity. Goddamn! I can't put it back down, can I? Oh well. Oh what? What?
I
what?
told you to shoot me.
What? Christian, please tell me you didn't record that.
I'm recording everything.
Fuck! Damn it! Oh!
And
Oh,
look what I have in my possession now. It's
Oh.
almost like I think I'm gonna win. And I'm just so happy for this, you know?
Yeah, you're just gonna saw it off just to rub it in my face, aren't you?
Yeah. What
Well,
a joy to be alive.
you know what? That's not even the last round, though.
Yeah, I know, yeah. That's the fun part.
I take everything I said back. I hate this fucking game.
If I win, we gotta do another round. Bounce.
Bones.
We're
what are you
not
doing?
doing this again. You won the last round.
You won.
You won.
See? Here's my problem, right?
Oh my.
Oh my god.
Cool calculators.
Shut up. Just shut up.
Well, that's not very nice, Brandon. Why don't you apologize?
Me.
You apologize right now,
Me.
Brandon.
Me.
Don't make me
Damn,
say
that's
it.
crazy. It's 1 and 1. That's crazy.
It's crazy, huh?
Crazy. That was crazy once.
That was crazy.
That's crazy. That really is crazy. Ruh-roh raggy. Well, shit. It's not letting me... Guys, my game's broken.
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
It's not letting me pick out of the box.
Do Control Shift Windows B. I think it is.
What are you trying to make? Are you trying to make me like reset my graphics
No.
drivers or some shit?
Do you mean
Hey,
curl
is the
shift
screen
escape?
frozen?
No, the screen's not frozen. I just can't click out of the freaking box. There we go.
Oh, there
Okay,
we
now-
go.
That was scary. Oh my god, it's another big one. I hate these big ones and I lose track because my fucking pea brain. What the fuck is going on? I gotta sneeze.
Didn't sneeze, Goofy.
I can't. It's not coming yet. Oh.
Bless you.
Oh.
You okay?
Oh. That hurt. I got that dad sneeze at the ripe old age of 21. Now think about this carefully. Alright. I think I know what it is. Maybe? I think?
You think or you not?
I don't know.
I think I can.
So
I
you-
don't know. I
so-
don't know. I don't know.
It's 3 and 2.
Right,
3
no,
blank 2.
no, no. I
Two
know.
red.
I know.
No,
Shut up. Shut up.
you
I
don't
think it's
know.
live though.
You don't know.
I think it's. I think.
Then drink a beer if
Shut
you're
up.
so
Shut
unsure.
up. I should have shot you, Christian. Damn it. I'm sorry, Bones. I should have shot Christian.
You better be sorry.
Right? Yeah? Maybe? No. Yes. No.
3 and 1, right?
You didn't want. Fuck.
Ah,
Why would you do that? Why would you do that? What was the thought process behind
I
it?
switched. I inverted the bullets.
Oh, so it's all
Oh,
blank.
that's all. Oh no.
It's literally all blank. I'm pretty sure.
No, it's
That's
not.
Well,
No.
you switched polarity, didn't you?
I did switch the polarity.
Yeah. So now it was all now then it's all blank then.
You kidding?
No, it's not.
4 lives, 3 blank, 4 lives. Did you skip? Skip
If it
me.
doesn't show, then she skipped you.
Fuck.
I was gonna skip Christian, but you've been mean to me.
Fuck.
Yeah, I need to make a phone call.
Let me just order some Uber Eats real quick.
No, it's DoorDash. But I don't care about my life, so I'm just gonna.
Why would you do that?
Number of reasons.
I want your beer.
Fuck, dude, that's my beer.
You know that Instagram.
I don't
reel
know.
that- Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Honestly, you guys can win.
Why?
Why?
Oh,
You dumbass.
you liberal.
You liberal. You liberal sissy.
You liberal.
I don't like these big numbers.
It's alright. I don't like them either.
Did you switch the polarity?
Yeah.
Fuck you. And you switched the polarity again. Okay, cool. And then you switched it again.
Yeah, I do.
Damn,
I
that's
do.
creative.
Yeah. Oh no!
Oh, you switched to live one. Oh, you fucking dumbass. It's literally 4 and 2. The game favors me at the moment.
Does it?
Oh my god.
Does it?
That's crazy. Honestly, that's actually nuts. How? Are you kidding me? What are the odds? The 2 blank ones are back to back.
How unfortunate.
That is so unfortunate. Well, I might as well just rack it. And then have one live one left. And then we'll get a new set. What?
Oh.
What? What?
You're right. One live, one left. No!
I'm fucking.
Oh, that
choking.
would have been cool.
2 live and 3 blank. I'm fucked, aren't I? I have no.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Christian, you could honestly just like fuck my shit up. Let's be real.
Yeah.
There's 3 blank. There's 2 blank in the live, and you just. So
I'm taking my chances, buddy.
you're gonna take. I would have racked that.
I
other
would have.
beer,
I would have.
but-
Shut up. No! No!
So there's a 50-50. Yeah. Oh wait,
No! No!
I just won. I won.
No, you
I
didn't.
freaking won.
No,
dude.
you didn't.
You fucked that royally.
Did I? Oh.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Dang.
Do we want to go one more, or do we want to call it quits?
What time is it? I think I'm gonna call it quits. It's almost 2 a.m.
You want to call it quits? Okay, that's fair.
Yep.